What is this called in English? Corn cob. What is this called in English? Apple core. What is this called in English? Watermelon rind. What is this called in English? Bread crust. What is this called in English? Banana peel. What is this called in English? Eggshell. What is this called in English? Drizzle of honey. What is this called in English?